Sir, can you make a video comparison of the Yaris Cross Hybrid versus the ATIV Hybrid? Watch this and your ATIV reviews, very helpful. So, sige, YT Mariel, shoutout sa'yo, sagutin natin. So this is a very interesting sibling comparison by Toyota brothers, kumbaga Toyota siblings, because 1.6 million si Toyota Yaris Cross Hybrid, top of the line, while si Toyota ATIV naman, bagong release ni Toyota, only at 1.2, around that price range, 1.2 million Philippine pesos. So kumbaga 1.2 versus 1.6 million, just really parang it doesn't, it's very easy to kumbaga choose between in terms of practicality lang naman. But if you really have the extra budget, 1.6 million, ito lang, medyo ano lang kasi, ito lang yung major talaga na what you're gonna be getting from a Yaris Cross compared to an ATIV. So unang-una na dyan yung sunroof. Okay, that's a very a good feature for the modern times. I know a lot of people like that. And then the next thing that you're gonna have with the Yaris Cross compared to the ATIV is the premium Pioneer speakers. Alright, so that's the second one. And then lastly na you're gonna be enjoying with the Yaris Cross is the ground clearance compared to the Toyota ATIV. Kumbaga, superior talaga yung ground clearance ni Yaris Cross. Is really one of the best ground clearance sa segment niya. But kay Toyota ATIV naman guys, is not really bad at all. Ang laki ng diferensya niya dun sa outgoing na Vios namin dati. So ground clearance no longer an issue. I think that I would live without the panoramic sunroof. And then lastly, I can also live without the Pioneer speakers, but I know a lot of people is big deal sa kanila yun eh. So having said that, super duper okay talaga si ATIV because it has a lot of the things that the Yaris Cross has, specifically the Toyota Safety Sense. Adaptive cruise control, 360-degree camera, front, back, rear, side sensing, ganon, meron siya. So if you think that you can live without those three major benefits ni Yaris Cross that I mentioned, and you're gonna be fine with it. From a practicality standpoint, I think you can really save 400,000 pesos. That's a lot of money that you can save and enjoy a very modern hybrid vehicle that has rich in features. And that makes the Toyota ATIV really a great value car. Check it out my YouTube reviews. Go ahead to my channel, subscribe, follow for more. Sana nakatulong. See you on my videos.